Mary, where did we park the car?
I don't know. I thought you remembered.
I think it was on level 2 or maybe level 3.
John, we have 6 bags. We can't walk to every level.
Okay, let me think. We came in through the main entrance.
Yes, and we turned left.
So it's level 2. I'm sure. Let's go.
John, this is level 2. I don't see our car.
Wait, is that it? The blue car near the elevator?
That's not our car. Our car is grey.
Right, sorry. I'm tired.
Let's use the app. I can find the car on my phone.
You have an app for that?
Yes, I always save the location when we arrive.
That's very smart, Mary.
Next time, you save the location.
Yes, I will. I promise.
The car is on level 4 near exit B.
Of course it is. Let's go.
And next time we park near the entrance.
Agreed. No more surprises.